Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Rhino 3D. Today I'm going to model this geometric clock in this episode. Let's model a beautiful geometric clock. Draw a circle with a radius of 15. Draw another circle with a radius of 20. Divide the two circles and set the number of segments to 12. Connect the points with control point curve. Use mirror to copy. Join two curves. Next, use array polar to copy objects around a central location 36 times. Join all the curves. When all the curves are ready, it depends on you how to extrude them and design your own clock. I prefer to make them solid in two different thicknesses, the thicker one for the 12 numbers of the clock, and the rest are thinner. Based on how much thickness I want, I use an offset multiple for it. Using the curve Boolean command to trim, split, and join curves based on their overlapping regions. Select curves and click inside the areas you want to keep. Use the curve Boolean command again. Offset the curve for the outline of the clock. Finally, use the extrude command for the final look. I extruded different parts at different distances for a better look. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.